Exercise number 8.2, first problem, solve each of the following equations. So this is the first bit, 2x minus 3 is equals to 6. So let us start solving. Just we need to solve, means we need to find out the value of x. Okay, if any other variable is also given like p or a, then we will find out the value of that variable. So let us start the solution. So in solution we will write down the given question, that is 2x minus 3 is equals to 6. First I want the variables, only variable on the left hand side. Okay, so I want to remove this. I want to remove this 3 and 2 from this side. So that's why we will get, first I want to remove this minus 3. For that we need to transpose. Okay, so we need to transpose this minus 3. We will get 2x is equals to 6 plus 3. So we can write transposing minus 3 to RHS. So we are going to transpose it to RHS. So its sign will change. So 2x is equals to 6 plus 3. Next, we can write 2x is equals to 6 plus 3 is 9. Now I want to remove this 2. To remove that 2, this 2 is in multiplication with x. To remove this, we need to use the inverse of the operator, that is division. So we need to divide on both sides by 2. So let us write 2x, let us write 2x by 2 is equals to 9 by 2. So we are dividing both sides by 2. So 2 ones are 2. So we can write x is equals to 9 by 2. So this is our first bit. Now let us solve second bit. So the given second bit is 3x by 2 minus 5 is equals to 4. So as I have already told you that we want variables on left hand side, so that's why we will remove this minus 5 from here. So for that we need to transpose this minus 5. So let us write down 3x by 2 is equals to 4 plus 5. So how do we got this? By transposing. So transposing minus 5 to RHS. Next, now we can write 3x by 2 is equals to 4 plus 5, that is 9. Next, we can see that 2 is in denominator, that is 2 is in the division. Okay, so for that, to remove that 2, we need to multiply 2 on both sides. So let us write down 2 into 3x by 2 is equals to 2 into 9. So we can write multiplying by 2, multiplying both sides by 2. So we can cancel this 2 and 2. Now we are having 3x is equals to 2 nines are 18. Now to remove this 3, we need to divide. So let us write dividing both sides by 3. We will get 3x by 3 is equals to 18 by 3. So 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones 3 6. So we have got the value of x is 6. So therefore the value of x is 6. Now let us start third bit. So the third bit is 2 by 3 x is equals to 8 by 9. For this solution, we know that 2 by 3 is in division. To remove that 3, we need to multiply both sides by 3. So first of all, we will write down 3 into 2 by 3 into x is equals to 3 into 8 by 9. So for that, it will be multiplying both sides by 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 2x is equals to 8 by 3. So we have got this. Next, I want to remove this 2. This 2 is in multiplication with x. For that, we need to divide. So 2x by 2 is equals to 8 by 3 into 2. So this 2 is also in division because we are writing below 8. So let us write down dividing both sides by 2. Now we can cancel this. 2's will cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours. So x is equals to, so what are the numbers left? 4 by 3. So hence the solution for this equation is 4 by 3. Fourth bit. Now let us start the solution for the fourth bit. So they have given a by 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So for this, we need to get only variables, that is a on LHS. For that, we need to remove this 3 first. To remove this 3, we need to transpose this from here to that side. So let us write down a by 2 is equals to 5 minus 3. So what we have done, we have transposed. So transposing plus 3 on RHS, or you can write 2 RHS. So we will get a by 2 is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. Next, we need to remove this 2. This 2 is in division. So we need to multiply by 2 on both sides. So a by 2 is equals to 2 into 2. So 2, 2 cancel. A is equals to 2 2's are 4. So a is equals to 4. So what we have done here, we have multiplied. We have multiplying by 2 both sides. Let us start fifth problem. So fifth problem, In solution, we will write it again. 3 into x minus 5 is equals to minus 21. So what we are saying, this one, this is 3 into. So 3 into means this is in multiplication. To remove this 3, we need to divide by 3 on both sides. So let us do that. 3 into x minus 5 by 3 is equals to minus 21 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are. So x minus 5 is equals to minus 7. So let us write the reason. So we have dividing both sides by 3. Next, I want to remove this minus 5. For that we can write down, we can transpose this minus 7 to that side. So x is equals to minus 7 plus 5. So we will get x is equals to, now subtract 5 from 7, we will get 2. And we will write down the reason here. Transposing minus 5 to RHS. Now let us start sixth problem. So sixth problem equation is 15 plus half p is equals to 3p. So first we will transpose this half p to that side. So we will get 15 is equals to 3p minus half p. So we can write down transposing half p to RHS. Next, if we subtract half from 3p, we will get 2 and half. Okay. So, but let us write down this. 2 3s are 6. So 6p minus 1p by 2. So that will be 6p minus 1p is 5p by 2. So we have got 5p by 2 is equals to 15. So we can write down, we can write this first and then this on RHS. So let us write down 5p by 2 is equals to 15. Now let us remove this 2. This 2 is in division. So we will multiply by 2 on both sides. So 5 by 2 is equals to 2 into 15. So 2 2's are cancelled. So 5p is equals to 2 15's are 30. So what we have done, we have multiplied. So multiplying both sides by 2. Next we need to remove this 5. So for that 5 is in multiplication, so we will do the division. So 5p is equals to 30 by 5 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 ones are. So 5 ones are 5 6 are. So p is equals to 6. Therefore the value of p is 6. So let us write down the reason. Dividing both sides by 5. Now seventh bit, let us start the solution. And the given equation is 3 into 7x minus 1 is equals to 4 in 4x plus 6. So here first we will open this bracket. 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21x minus 3 ones are 3 is equals to 4x plus 6. So in the previous problem, in the fifth problem, you have seen that we haven't opened the bracket, but here the need is to open the bracket is because on the RHS side we are having the variable and the consonant, means that our two terms are there, so that's why we need to open the brackets. Next, transpose this minus 3 to that side. So you will get 21x is equals to 4x plus 6 plus 3. So transposing minus 3 to RHS. So we have got 21x is equals to 4x plus 6 plus 3 is 9. Next, I want to remove this 4x. For that, we need to send this 4 to LHS. So we will get 21x minus 4x is equals to 9. Now subtract 4 from 21. So you will get 17x is equals to 9. So let us write down the reason. Transposing transposing 4x to LHS. Now let us divide this 17. Divide by 17. So we will get 17x by 17 is equals to 9 by 17. 17 cancel. Okay. So therefore the value will be x is equals to 9 by 17. Let us write down the reason here. Dividing by 17 on both sides.